Good morning. And Hobbs is here too. Hopsy. Hobbs. Good morning, darling. Oh,
Hey.
we got at least a side eye there. Oh, good morning, darling. Oh, it looks like you're wearing a baby.
Right, do we have a bottle for baby?
Yes, let's give you the bottle. I can't remember what day it is. 15th, yeah. Happy Vlogmas Day 15! Properly dancing. Do you like the music, B? Oh, bless her.
Hello, little bee. Looking very Christmassy as one of the wise men.
Oh yes, she's a wise man.
So we found this lovely little knitted knitted crown in a charity shop this morning that she really likes, don't you?
It suits her so well.
Yes. And then we got some wonderful, look at these that we found in a charity shop this morning. So we got, this is a YAAAY helicopter. And then we didn't get this one. We got this from what was the name of that toy shop, Gabby?
Pingo Pongo.
Pingo Pongo, and this is a beautiful little rattle from Planned Toys. And then we got these from the Manhattan Toy Company. We've already got a set of these from Grimm, and I think I prefer the Grimm ones because they're really beautiful pastel colours. But this is a very nice one. And then we got this one as well. Do you like this one, B? Should we have a reaction to this? Are you ready? Oh. What do you think, B? Ooh. Or you're distracted by the fact that this is on the floor, aren't you? She loves her Paddington, don't you? Yeah, you want Paddington back, don't you?
Paddington is her favourite.
Do you want Paddington back? Okay, there you go.
Because you do need a check.
Yeah, you do need it, yeah, exactly. We're ready! And we're off to see good cinema! And we're feeling quite punk. Is that a punk thing?
Oh, I just came dressed as myself.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
That's it.
Very punky.
See you in a bit, Alex.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah. So punked up. Hey guys, so yeah, we haven't really told you. I can't believe I haven't told you yet because I'm so excited about this. Stephen and I are off to Secret Cinema for Stranger Things, and if you know what either of those two things are, you'll be like, oh my god! But basically it's like immersive cinema, and Stranger Things is like the best thing that's been on TV ever. So yes, we're very, very excited, and we have chosen to be punks. I can't remember the name of my character.
No,
Character. That word was weird. Someone Baines.
Is it not in your email?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look now and find out who my character is. But I also put lipstick on my eyes and they're really sore. So maybe that was a stupid idea.
Do you need tissues for your eyes?
I need 2 tissues for my eyes. That's what David Bowie says. So yeah, but my sisters did my hair. I think they did a pretty cool job actually. Bless her. I think Nikki did my hair, let's say. And yeah, they did a good job, and we're feeling quite punky, and yeah, this is fun. This is a really fun date night. But what is really sad is we left B in quite a state, and Mum was like, go, just go. Because she didn't want it to, you know, affect our night. But it's really tough leaving a baby. It's sad.
She's in the middle of a leap.
Yeah, she is.
And she's incredibly clingy at the moment.
Yeah.
In a really cute way, but she just wants to snuggle either Gabby or me,
us.
and not really that interested in anyone else.
Oh, but she absolutely loves my mum. She loves Nonny, so she'll be fine. She will be fine, I'm sure. It's just us leaving the house is a bit much for her. So yeah, oh, I hope it's okay. Anyway, I just realised that I've unpurposefully made a hole in my fishnet tights, which is so punk of me.
Well done.
And we're gonna have a good night out, and we'll see you later. Bye. Alright, on our way home! What did you think, baby?
Oh man, that was awesome.
It was so good.
It was so very good.
So good!
It was really clever theatre as well.
Yeah.
But we can't tell you anything about it, we're
No,
not supposed to.
we'll tell you absolutely nothing. But yes, really, really loved it. And now we're just on our way back, and we've heard that B is beautifully asleep in bed and that she had a good night in the end, which is great news. And now we're going to go and give our dog, he is quite big, our dog big cuddles and his advent calendar. Yay! It's time for some Hobbsing. So we'll see you with that in a minute. Look, it's Hobble, and it's time for his advent calendar. Poopy, where are you going, you crazy dog? It is day 16. Now don't worry, I know you're going to see some unopened doors, but we will catch him up on every single day, and don't you worry about that. Oh, yes, baby. Yes, are you ready? We've got 3 little treats, so we'll have 1 shake treat. Yay! And another shake on this side. Yeah. Oh, okay, alright. Just take my hand off so I don't you. And that treat. There you go, baby. Well done, gorgeous doggy. Alright, everybody. Well, from Hobbs and I, we would say good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.